What's up, guys? It's your boy Techie back again with another mind-blowing video. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about some apps that are going to make your life easy. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first app is Truecaller. When I go to Truecaller, it will show me this interface and now it will open. So the thing about Truecaller is that it is an amazing app which will tell you the data of any person who has called you. So it will allow you to distinguish between a scam call and a proper correct call. Further, it will even allow you to ask for loans or make payments, and you can even check the profile of the people who are calling you, maybe where they are from or what are they doing and stuff like that if you purchase the Truecaller premium. But this Truecaller is free of cost. So yeah, if I go back, I'll go back, and now the second feature right here is Flinks, this app right here. So now I'll be showing you what does Flinks do. Maybe I go to Google and I want to see this. Yeah, official trailer of Lucifer. So I'll click on it, and yep. Father. Just a second. Sorry. And now I'll go back and maybe I want to see Money Heist. I'll click on it. But now I'll go to these three dots and I'll click on open in browser, and now I will select Flinks rather than Chrome. Now just let us assume that I click on anything else by mistake. Maybe I click on this, yeah, and even if I did not intend to do so, it has happened. And now if I want to click on this cross, even that page will go. So now what should I do? So now there's this small circle that you can see, which is a bubble. If I go on this bubble, it will show me what I wanted to see. The full information is there, and after I have read it, I can simply take this to a cross, and yeah, that's it. So Flinks is a pretty amazing feature. Now we'll be moving on to the third feature, which is Pushbullet. So the thing about Pushbullet is, if you are someone who likes PC, prefers PC rather than phone, and finds it pretty annoying when you get notifications on your phone and have to check them and find them unnecessary, so you can use Pushbullet. This app mirrors the notification on your browser, due to which you can easily check them without opening your phone or touching it, and you can even reply to texts. So yeah, it's an amazing app and meant for PC lovers. Now the fourth app is Super Backup. So if you are formatting your phone or are sending all your files or giving your phone to someone else for some time and think that they might delete some file by mistake, so you can simply use Super Backup to ensure that all your files are backed up. Not to mention the fact that it simply does not backs up your files, rather it also backs up if there's some game or movie or any other app that you don't want to be deleted. Now the last thing is Google Assistant. Amazing feature, you all might have probably heard of it. The good thing is you can make calls, set reminders or alarms, and it is not possible for me to use it as I'm already making a video, but yeah, it is working pretty good. And yeah, so if you like my video, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends, and thank you.